Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here getting ready for Dear Julie Julie's August Assembly Line Junk Journal Challenge. So for this month, we have to make either one 3-signature journal or 3 1-signature journals. And I'm going to be making 3 1-signature journals. My theme, if you can't tell by what's on my desk, is going to be sunflowers. And the idea is to make everything in assembly line fashion. So we'll need to have 8 altered paper clips, 8 book page pockets, 8 clusters, 8 tags, 8 journal cards, 8 belly bands and tucks, 8 embellished flip pages, 8 envelopes, 8 parchment tracing or vellum pockets, 8 mini notebooks of any style, and 8 ruffles or tabbed edges. But the idea is when you make your, say, your altered paper clips, you have your stuff, they're all similar. They don't have to be identical, but you do them sort of assembly line fashion. And since I'll be doing 3 1-signature journals, you can make more than the 8, but you have to make at least 8. I'll probably be making 9 of everything, just because that way I've got an even number for each, or the same number for each journal, 3 for each journal. Anyway, so the fabric I'll be using is this, and I've also got a little bit of sort of cream colored cheesecloth here that I may want to use. And I pulled this out of my pattern stash. It's Crows with Sunflowers, an old craft pattern. And then I've got a variety of little book pages here, just random. This little book, I forget what the name of it was. It's already been pulled apart. But oh, the Sunflower Parable. But it's got some cute little sunflower pictures in it. So I pulled that out. And here I've got a couple of pages from an Ideals magazine. And then I have these, how many? 4 sheets of scrapbook paper. And then I've got 3 napkins that I may use. And let me close that. In here, I've got some sunflower seed packets and some little, I don't even know what these are or where I got them. They're little sunflowers. It doesn't look like they have any sticky on the back or anything, so just little embellishments to glue down. I've got those stickers. I've got some little charms here. I pulled out these mini paper cup wrappers. I don't know if I will use them, but the color of them was good, so I put them in my little kit. Pulled out some embroidery thread. I've got some ribbon and rickrack and a little bit of lace. So that's what I've got in my kit as potentials to use. Now, I will also be adding bits and pieces of various digital kits that I've got. I will be using some of Mrs. Cog's Crafts, the Sunflowers, as well as Dear Julie Julie's Sunflowers Digitals, Artie Mae's Sunflower Bloom, and Musings by Nikki Golden Sunny Flowers. Whether I will use all of those, I most certainly will not use everything out of all of them. But I may use bits and pieces. So I put them on my list, and I will leave Etsy links to all of these shops down below. And I will also leave a link to DearJulieJulie's video about the challenge this month, and we'd love to have you join us and take part in this. And that's it for now. I will be back tomorrow with my first element that I'll be making, and we'll get started on these sunflower journals. So until I see you next time, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.